All right, Dr. Rick again. I'm here where I do my adjusting. These are my adjusting tools. This is my adjusting table. This has some special drop pieces that go up and down and give me an opportunity to adjust specific joints to get them to release. The goal is to get joints and tissues that have been under chronic stress to release and open up and let the blood flow back into those tissues and restore the healthy oxygenation of the tissues, hydration, waste removal, carbon dioxide removal, and the lymphatic flow. It's really simple. Every cell in the body requires 5 things: high quality food, water, air, the trash needs to be taken out, the lymphatics, and most important of all, the vital nerve flow needs to be free and clear to operate, to make sure that management, control, but also upload communication is restored. One of the additional things I do is muscle testing to find out which vertebrae and or joints require adjusting. Sometimes though, we find we need to adjust the gut or the stomach in order to restore circuitry to the brain, to restore management and control. It's really all about circuits. Come find out. Thank you.